All right, we've got our grinder assembled with a grinding wheel on the tool. And two of these holes are for the old tool. The new tool with DeWalt is a hex Allen wrench. And that'll still require you to, of course, hold the lock button. And okay, so my purpose in doing this is to let you listen, and myself for the first time, what this tool sounds like when it's running and when it stops. And I'll give an explanation as to why. Has nice gyroscopic action. Okay. Yeah, why? Well, once upon a time when I bought a skill saw made in China, I made one cut with it, and the difference between that one cut and the first time I turned on the switch to hear the tool run was that there was a noticeable difference in the bearings. And I'm thinking, like, one cut should not do that. I don't know exactly why it did that, but I'm thinking it's just, thousandths of an inch. Because when you hear noise, some kind of sound, it means that there is vibration and or space. So you don't really want extra space on your bearings, but you do want them to run smoothly as you first receive them, especially sealed bearings, all that. So, okay, I'm gonna do some grinding and shut this off. But I do want to say one thing, a couple things maybe. When you have a hold down wheel that is missing, you'll still find that your grinder works with this type of disc, okay? Regardless of the texture or construction of the material. But the point is the threaded hub means that you can put it onto your tool. Okay, let's see, here's an older one. Yeah, all these should fit. That fits good, okay? So, of course, I know this has been there. Curious thing about old grinding wheels, they wear according to how you hold them in angle to the workpiece. So as you can see, this is typically about like that. And that means that you're running out of grinding material at the edge. Okay, so brand new, this disc is made in America. You've got a sharp edge that you can get into corners with nicely. And so do your corners first if you're putting on a new disc. What else can I tell you? Have a nice day.